Why Lean Six Sigma might be the secret weapon for AI adoption. Everyone is talking about AI, agents, automation, co-pilots in every workflow. Companies are rushing to become AI first. But here's something interesting. Most AI projects don't fail because the AI model is bad. They fail because the system around the AI is broken. And this is where something unexpected becomes incredibly useful. Lean Six Sigma, the hidden problem with AI adoption. Let's say a company wants to implement AI. They install a chatbot, or a document analyzer, or a lead generation tool, but soon problems appear. The AI produces inconsistent outputs. Data is messy. Processes are unclear. Different departments work differently. So people start blaming the AI. But the real issue isn't the AI. The real issue is the process. And Lean Six Sigma practitioners understand something that AI enthusiasts sometimes forget. Results come from systems. The Lean Six Sigma mindset. Lean Six Sigma teaches us to look at problems differently. Instead of just asking, how do we improve the output? We ask, how does the process produce the output? Before you improve anything, you must first understand the system. That's why Lean Six Sigma uses the DMAIC framework: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Interestingly, this framework maps almost perfectly to AI implementation. Applying DMAIC to AI. Let's see how this works. Define. First, define the problem, not let's use AI, but something specific. For example, reduce the time required to review documents by 50%. That's a clear problem. Measure. Next, measure the current process. How long does document review take today? How many errors occur? What inputs does the process require? Without this baseline, you can't evaluate whether AI is helping. Analyze. Now analyze the process. Where are the bottlenecks? Where do errors occur? Is the data clean? Is the workflow consistent? Often this is where companies discover the real issue. It's not that the AI is weak. It's that the process feeding the AI is chaotic. Improve. Only now does AI enter the picture. Maybe an AI model can summarize documents, or classify emails, or generate reports. But now the AI is integrated into a well-understood process, not dropped randomly into a messy system. Control. Finally, control the system. Monitor performance, track accuracy, improve prompts, refine workflows. AI is not a one-time installation. It becomes part of a continuous improvement cycle. Why lean thinkers adapt faster to AI? People with Lean Six Sigma training often adapt to AI faster. Why? Because they already think in terms of processes, inputs and outputs, variation, root causes, and control systems. AI agents are essentially digital workers inside processes. If you already know how to design processes, integrating AI becomes much easier. In a sense, Lean Six Sigma practitioners are already trained to think like AI system designers. Closing thought. Artificial intelligence may feel revolutionary, but the principles behind successful implementation are surprisingly familiar. Clean data, clear processes, defined outputs, continuous improvement. In other words, AI may be the top floor of the building, but Lean Six Sigma is the foundation. And without a solid foundation, the building doesn't stand. Call to action. If you're interested in Lean Six Sigma, freelancing, and using AI to work smarter, consider subscribing. Because in the next videos, we'll explore how process thinking can help you build powerful AI workflows, and maybe even your next freelance advantage.